Is everybody ready to learn how to make my famous corn salad? Yeah! All right.
Excuse me, but you see, you had me at kitchen. That's amore.
I love it.
Amore. That's amore. With ALEXIA.
I want my ALEXIA foodies to know easy recipes. Now that's Italian. Pasta and beans, pasta fagioli. Hey, pasta fagioli. Pasta fagioli.
So if you could bring back retro something from your childhood.
Sunday dinner. It's the concept of my show, You Had Me at Kitchen, and bringing back Sunday dinner. It's about food, family, fun, and love, and that's what I'd love people to bring back.
That's a lovely sentiment.
Thank you. So right now I'm going to make for you guys a great San Marzano tomato sauce. I chopped up some fresh garlic. I like to pour a little of this great Chianti into my marinara sauce. What do you put over your pasta? Gravy or sauce?
Sauce.
Is it gravy or sauce?
It's definitely sauce.
Gravy or sauce? Oh, we were just saying.
Sauce.
Gravy.
That's a gravy.
Gravy, right?
Yes. Sauce you put on ice cream. Gravy you put on pasta and everything else. Italiano. Every Sunday we'd have the gravy, the meatballs, the sausage, the pork, the pepperoni, the beef braciole.
Do you make bolognese sauce?
I do.
Do you make
Puttanesca
sauce?
I do.
Do you make pink vodka sauce?
I do.
And what do you put it in? The gravy!
It's not ricotta, people. It's ricotta. I got these right out of the backyard from my chickens. Just kidding.
And the winter winds, they have come and gone. Here we go, here we go. And still the days.
Oh, look at those cutlets. Wow.
Beautiful.
Those are perfect. Oh, my.
The famous cutlet.
Yeah.
It is done. This is what the final product looks like. Oh my God, that looks so good. Hey guys, it's done.
My mother, every Sunday, she made the pasta, homemade pasta. She's gonna roll the dough.
Put it on the sheet
And
on
put
the
it-
bed.
Yeah.
The homemade macaroni be on a sheet on the bed.
We're making the pasta, baby. Everyone loves the pasta. I don't care. I'll be puffy tomorrow. I'm gonna eat the pasta. This is authentic. No pasta machines here, people. Rolling, rolling. We're rolling now. Oh! Lemon juice. Oh, squeeze that lemon. How you doing, lemon? I said, Aunt Annie, you don't have any gray hair. I was shocked. She said, shot of olive oil, that is the key. Instead of vodka, we'll be doing olive oil. The Mama Mary Frita.
From
Oh my God!
garden to your hands with love.
This is like a baseball bat. Boom! It's ready. Woo!
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Hey guys.
Wow. That's
The
impressive.
Mama Mary. So what I like to do now, oh wait, wait, I forgot I wasn't rapping, I was cooking. Here we go. This is my favorite sour cream, Daisy. A dollop of Daisy. This is a family-friendly recipe, guys. You're gonna pour it in the butter, put it right in. That's the cream corn, pour it right in. The cornbread casserole! There it is. Ah, Dr. La Ropa, where are you? Feel my heartbeat. It's beating so fast because this food is so good. Come a little closer. Look at that beautiful, see that oil coming to the top? That's how you know it's done. Very hot. It is time, people. Mangiare! Yes.
La pasta è pronta.
If they had smell-o-vision on You Had Me at Kitchen, this would be like cinnamon and liqueur. Oh my, Arcangelo. Beautiful.
Goodbye, goodbye.
And that's what our show is all about. You Had Me at Kitchen. food, family, friends, fun, and love, and we're bringing it back, and I want you to bring it back to your family. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. You had me at kitchen, baby. Yeah!